Number 1. This 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, offered at $7,500 in Antioch, Illinois, sports a cammed 350 engine transplanted from a 1971 El Camino. With 75,000 miles, this Z28 includes an aluminum intake, headers, polycarb, and Edelbrock cam, providing a spirited driving experience. Its factory black exterior pairs with a red interior, showing well from a distance, though it has some scratches and wear. Inside, the car could benefit from updates like seat covers and new carpeting, while the body remains solid, featuring a clean trunk, sturdy rails, and intact fenders. This Camaro drives strong and comes with a clear title, making it a thrilling project for muscle car fans. Number 2. Available for $7,500 in Ogden, Utah, this 1966 Chevrolet El Camino is a versatile classic, powered by a 327 engine and a 2-speed Powerglide transmission. Sporting old-school mag rims with solid tires, it shows minimal rust and features a partially finished interior, making it a promising project. The bed is in excellent condition, and while it runs smoothly, the seller suggests upgrading the Holley carburetor to an Edelbrock for better performance. This blue El Camino is a prime candidate for a lowrider, hot rod build, or a full restoration to its original glory, offering flexibility for enthusiasts of all styles. Number 3. Listed at $6,500 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, this 1975 Oldsmobile 98 Regency features a powerful 455 engine and only 53,000 miles on the odometer. The interior is pristine in black, with fully functional air conditioning and heating, while the exterior could use fresh paint and a new top to complete its look. Mechanically, it's well maintained with new shocks, springs, and front coilovers, making it run smoothly and drive like a dream. With some cosmetic updates, this Oldsmobile has the potential to shine as an impressive classic luxury sedan. Number 4. This 1969 Ford Falcon Futura, listed for $7,500 in Paragould, Arkansas, is a classic model featuring a freshly rebuilt engine with only 1,200 miles since completion. Sporting a striking blue exterior and black interior, it retains its original seats, now refreshed, alongside new carpet, chrome trim, and badges. The vehicle includes original hubcaps and headliner stored in the trunk. While fully operational, the blinkers require some adjustment. As a solid example of the final Falcon models, this Futura combines vintage appeal with recent updates, making it a fantastic choice for collectors. The seller is also open to trade offers of equal value, providing flexibility for interested buyers. Number 5. This 1971 Buick Skylark Grand Sport, available for $6,950 in High Point, North Carolina, is a well-preserved, single-owner classic with just 90,000 miles. Finished in a striking green, this all-original Buick retains its rally wheels, factory air conditioning, and many new parts reflecting the care it's received over the years. Both the interior and exterior are described as being in like-new condition, making it an exceptional example ready for cruising or car shows. The Skylark Grand Sport from this era is cherished for its blend of power and style, offering enthusiasts a rare chance to own a piece of muscle car history. Number 6. For $5,000 in Ashland, Kentucky, this 1983 Buick Laab Limited Sedan has 100,169 miles and features a blue exterior and interior. It's powered by an Oldsmobile 307 V8 engine and has undergone extensive maintenance, including new brake drums, head gaskets, radiator, starter, fan clutch, battery, and tires, as well as fluid changes and a transmission filter replacement. The door wiring needs completion, and the paint could use a refresh, but the car is otherwise in solid condition. The seller includes extra hubcaps and the original radiator. A minor brake light issue may be related to a sensor, pending a rotor change. This Laab comes with a clean Kentucky title, making it a great option for classic car enthusiasts. Number 7. This 1963 Ford Galaxy 500, listed at $4,700 in Lafayette, Indiana, has been in storage since 2002 and shows 103,000 miles. Powered by a 352 V8 engine with dual exhaust, this classic car is rust-free with well-preserved floor pans and trunk. It runs but requires a fuel tank replacement, brake work, and attention to a front seal leak, making it a great restoration project. Original hubcaps are included, adding to its classic appeal. The 1963 Galaxy is renowned for its stylish design and powerful performance, making it a desirable choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. The seller may consider a partial trade for a forklift, offering flexibility for interested buyers. Number 8. This 1963 Rambler Classic 550, listed at $5,250 in Crestwood, Kentucky, is a well-maintained turnkey classic car, featuring its original 195.6 CI engine and a newly rebuilt T37 transmission. It boasts extensive upgrades, including new brakes, brake lines, fuel lines, tires, a radiator, electric fans, and modern amenities like Apple CarPlay, a backup camera, and a sound system with a subwoofer. The car also comes with spare parts, an additional engine, and a T35 transmission, making it a great choice for enthusiasts seeking a reliable classic with contemporary features. The Rambler Classic is known for its distinctive design and practicality, offering a unique driving experience. Number 9. This 1969 Cadillac DeVille Coupe, available for $4,500 in Pickerington, Ohio, features a striking red exterior and interior with only 20,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title. While the car runs and drives, it does exhibit significant rust on the body and is in need of restoration. The 1969 DeVille is known for its iconic design and luxurious features, making it a desirable project for enthusiasts looking to revive a classic Cadillac. This coupe presents a fantastic opportunity to restore a piece of automotive history with immense character and style. Number 10. This 1962 Mercury Comet base, listed for $800 in Chicago Ridge, Illinois, features a burgundy exterior and comes with a complete title. While the mileage is unknown, this classic car presents an affordable opportunity for those interested in restoration or project cars. The seller has limited information available, as they are listing it on behalf of a friend. The 1962 Comet is appreciated for its compact design and performance potential, making it a unique find for collectors and enthusiasts looking to bring a classic Mercury back to life.